welcome to our very first episode of our very first harvest season. This week we're parked up at Queensland's oldest and most iconic pub, Nindigully. Cameron works hard to learn everything farm related and how to drive a chase bin full of barley. Whilst myself, Sunny and Luna drive into St George to get some much needed tractor parts and to do a little sightseeing along the way. And what's a hedge's adventure without a little problem solving when our car freezer full of meat decides to stop working? So let's get into it. Thanks for watching.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking.
Hi guys,
Hello,
we are currently in
Nindigully,
Sorry, I was going to say St George, but
south of St George.
yep.
Nindigully Pub. Like if you travel, you've heard of the Nindigully Pub.
Yep. And we're doing a harvest season. So, well, when I say we, I mean Cameron is currently in the tractor right now. I'm looking after the dogs for now.
Yeah.
We'll see what the next farm, if they've got like a fenced off area, etc., that we can leave the dogs. But yeah, we're just in the back of the pub at this one.
Yeah, so we actually weren't meant to be. So we are working for the contractor that employed us, but we weren't meant to be doing this job with him. So
Yeah.
it was sort of spur of the moment. He called us up the day before and said, "Can you start tomorrow?" So we did.
Yeah, it was good. We're already on our way out, so straight into it. She's a bit bumpy.
Full bin of grain.
Yeah, grain, that's what we're harvesting.
Barley, I think.
Oh,
And then I think we might be doing chickpeas
yeah.
later. I'm not sure.
Yeah. But you can just see like the grasshoppers fly out of the crop. And then there's feral pigs everywhere. Huge suckers.
Yeah.
We just saw like a bunch of roos go past as well.
It's good, and everyone like super friendly. We just got the job off a Facebook page, like, and a lot of them, not a lot of skill required. Like I'll be later driving a truck, which I've always got a license for, but to do this, like they get backpackers in to do it, so you know you pick it up pretty quick if you. And sometimes, actually, the guy we're working for said sometimes it's actually better if you don't have experience, because you seem to pick up things a bit better, or you know,
They're all different.
tractors. Yeah, tractors are different. So,
yeah. So that's what we're doing till Christmas. We'll be out here. It'll be good, like traveling to different farms.
yeah. So it's a few weeks at a time, I think. A couple of weeks at each farm, then we move on.
Yep. I think Cameron's working 24/7. He might get a day off here or there. He did 12 hours yesterday.
We were here at just after 8. We left here at 9:30 or something
Yeah.
that night.
But they
it's
bring
all-
out good food.
Yeah, so get smoko, lunch, dinner, and then we've actually been getting dessert with dinner, so which is pretty good.
Anyway, we're about to unload into the mother bin.
No, we're not. We're going to go into those trucks, but they're sitting there waiting.
Oh, there you go. All right, we'll catch ya.
trucks in there sitting here, or that big red bin over there.
Well, I step and I fumble.
So I checked this fridge because I hadn't had it run for a bit, and this dodgy plug that was on it has come out of the Anderson plug. Got an Anderson plug on the end of it. So I've got spare terminals. I have to go get this electrical tape off it. I should go buy a proper one, but anyway, we'll clean it up, we'll fix it. I don't know which one the negative and the positive is. I'm assuming black is positive. Black is negative and white is positive. I don't have any solder to solder it in there. I'll just make it work. I said it might have been how I had the fridge strapped in here and I've pulled it out. Does that turn on?
Yes.
Okay, that's at -1. Well, it's at 1.
Hey guys.
Tractor driving itself.
Yep.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it is.
Yep. I got picked up. I had to go and do a load into the city, town.
Not much of a city.
He picked me up on the way, so I didn't have to walk 100 miles to get back to the car.
Yep. So now wait for another load. Take all this to the mother bin.
The mother bin.
Or into a truck, depends on sitting there. Oh yeah.